Hi. So I almost choked on my coffee this morning when I opened an email, and it was from a private company from Ukraine. And no, it wasn't a spam or something shady. It was a legit job offer. So I have this another channel where I fly drones. And let me say just right away, if the person who sent me this letter had seen those clips where I crashed the drone into trees or other obstacles, I'm pretty sure this offer would never have landed in my inbox. So here's the deal. They offered me a job flying drones to deliver supplies to areas where cars can't reach because of the current situation there. And to be clear, this has nothing to do with anything military. It's more like a humanitarian style deliveries, like bringing food and essentials to elderly people living in places that don't have proper road access anymore. And the salary, 6,800 euros a month. When I read that, I nearly spilled my second cup of coffee too. Of course, the reason it's that high, it's probably because the area is of course full of risk and the situation is unstable and tough. So it's definitely not your everyday job. And one really cool thing mentioned in the letter was that the work would be done for a few days in a row, and then you have several days off, so it wouldn't be non-stop flying, but a rhythm where you also have a plenty of free time, which is actually pretty rare, I think, in jobs like this. And the letter also included a confidentiality clause, meaning I can't talk about every detail that was written in it, but what I can say is that it was definitely one of the strangest and most surprising offers I have ever received. And maybe the reason they reached out was something to do with the experiments I have shown on this drone channel. For example, I once built a cable system for a drone so it could lower packages all the way to the ground. That way someone on the ground could even swap the battery before the drone takes off again. It wasn't something I came up with all by myself. I built it together with my friend because two minds usually come up with better solutions than one. And sure, it's not a brand new invention, but it actually works, and maybe that's the kind of thing that caught their eye, I don't know. Because of the situation there, I can't share too many details about the offer, but let's just say it's not the kind of email you expect to get while sipping your morning coffee. And if you don't hear me on this channel for a while, maybe I just took the job. So, bye.